How to add subtitles to a video in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add subtitles to a video in Canva. So first of all, just simply open the Canva's official website, and after that just simply log into your account and just open the project in which you are working on. So for example, I'm working on this particular project. Just simply open it. And after that, in order to add subtitles in this particular video, as you can see on my screen, all you have to do is just simply click on the app section from the left hand side menu screen, and over here on the search bar just simply search for subtitles and just click on this animated subtitles section, which is the third one, and click on open here, and now click on start, and this animated subtitle will start making the subtitle for the videos that you are making right here. Click on export, and now your the video reading has been started. So whatever voiceover in this video will have, the animated subtitle tool in the Canva will create the subtitles accordingly for this particular video. So you have to wait until this reading process has been completed. Then you will get some subtitles that you can add into the particular video that you are editing right here. Now you can see this is the sample text. Now you can scroll down and select the style or the color and type of the subtitles that the Canva has made for you. So I like this blue one, which is looking quite pop up right here. You can select the font size. So I want to add this one. You can select the size of the font. It also, you can go to large, extra large, position, top, middle, at bottom. I'm going to add it on top, and you can also capitalize all text if you want to. You just have to select the select this particular checkbox and click on generate. And now once the process has been completed, you will be able to see the subtitles for the videos as per the voiceover in the video, as it says that we could not detect any audio to generate the subtitles for this particular video, because this is a very simple video wherein there is no subtitles or there is no voiceover. So that's all right, but if you have the voiceover in the video that you are making, you will be able to get the subtitles right here, and you just simply have to click on add in order to add the subtitles in the video. So this is basically how simple it is to add subtitles to a video in Canva. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.